Hi everyone, and welcome to today's video. It's a really short, quick video on how to use Yammer if you've never used Yammer before. And so I just wanted to introduce you to our Yammer Partner Network and just kind of explain the importances and what's accessible for you on our partner network. So here at TBSC, we really value communication. And so we offer a few different ways of our partners connecting with us for sales and marketing with content, or even setting up demos, etc. So if you aren't connected with us on Yammer already, I'm going to teach you how to do that today. Typically, what I'll do is I'll send out an email invite to you and your colleagues to join our Yammer partner network. However, if the email gets lost, it's no big deal. What we can do is we can sign you up through our website. So visit our website, businesssoftwarecenter.com, and then on the top right, select on partners. And so this will take you to our partner page, and this is where you can access Yammer. So it just says already a TBSC partner, sign into the partner network on Yammer. Click sign in here. And so if you are already registered, it will automatically take you to the dashboard. However, if it says request to join the community, please send your invite and I'll be sure to give you approval to access the content in the dashboard. So once you have access to Yammer, this is what it's going to look like. You can tell it's the TBSC Partner Network just based off of branding alone. But if you need a recap of what the point of our Yammer is, you can check out the information on this right-hand side. So looking at it, it's kind of like Facebook, right? So it's where you can post information, ask questions, do a poll. And then when you scroll down, you can also engage in the posts as well, whether you like it or leave comments. But what's really nice about Yammer is it also provides an area where you can upload sales and marketing content. So our partners can easily download it and access it, etc. So the way to do that is on the top here, you can see the word files. Please select that and it will take you to all the files we have available. Now, everything you see here is also available on our Dropbox. And so what you can do is select what you like or need, download it, and then use it. The Partner Welcome Pack is really important if you're one of our new partners, just because it gives you a plethora of information about, who TBSC is and what offerings we have available to you, gives you a breakdown of our products, podcasts, webinars, different ways you can get involved with us, etc. And then we also have a few different PDFs as well. PowerPoints as well. And these PowerPoints that you see here are going to be very helpful for you in the long run when it comes to your marketing and sales training. So what you can do is download these and then insert your own company branding, like your logo or your contact information. So just for instance, we'll select on the TBSC case study template. Can see here's the template. So feel free to download that. And you can see here in the bottom left corner is the logo. Delete that, put yours in, change the colors if needed. It's really easy. And then what you can do on your end is save it as a PDF and distribute. So these are just really quick, easy ways of either educating your sales team, educating your clients, and just getting that marketing content out there. So other information I want to share with you on the TBSC Partner Network is links and other resources for you. A lot of information is available on here, so it's a matter of just logging in and looking and seeing what's going on. But we have network resources here on the left-hand side once you scroll down a little bit. Now, of course, I have the Partner Welcome Pack easily accessible here, but then we have external URLs that you can access as well. So if you select the podcast, it will take you to our Spotify account. If you select demos, it will take you to our YouTube account. If you select events and webinars, it will take you to our Eventbrite account. So this is all stuff that will be beneficial for you and your marketing team to follow, just so you can remain updated and in the loop with what's going on. However, Yammer does send out updates and notifications. You can see here I have some notifications waiting for me, some messages waiting for me, but they also send out email reminders periodically as well. And I'll teach you how to adjust that in the settings section. But yes, just continuing onward with the network and resources. We also have the partner survey, which I like, and we just started implementing a few months ago. And so that the page will take you to our TBSC partner survey. And so what you can do here is just let us know feedback. Let us know anything about your TBSC experience, what your customers think, feel about our products, services, help, support, etc. You can submit this really quick, easy feedback form to me, and so I can know, where our customers stand with our products, communication services, and all that. And then, of course, our website is also accessible here as well. So yes, I would say that this, for the most part, is how you use Yammer. You're welcome to interact with us on the Yammer account. But if you want to change the notification settings, it's just really quick and easy. You go up here to settings on the right, select it, and then change your contact preferences. So if you receive too many emails, this is a way for you to kind of get less emails throughout the day. But then you can also, change your language zone and your theme colors as well. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you so much for joining today's session, and I really hope to see you on the Partner Network. Bye-bye.